This is for affiliate accounts, and we made $46,000, $644, and with all the recurring commissions, we made $52,464 in affiliate commissions, pretty much passive income. And in this video, I'm going to share how you can do it too, without experience, without technical knowledge, without a website, without hosting server, without mailing list, and without social following. And you can start making money from today. So stick to the end of the video, follow every step as I'm gonna show you, and get my artificial intelligence software, which is coming free for my YouTube viewers. Link is in the description. This software will help you make money the way we are making. A lot of people ask why they not make money, why the income is low, why the debts are high, why the credit score is going poorer and poorer, while the cost of living, food prices, gas prices, all going high. People are laid off from jobs. This is a crazy situation of the world. So why me? Money is in other people's pocket. It comes to your pocket when they pay for something. On the internet, people pay you for information, the information they are looking for. When you give them the right information, whether it's small or big, they trust you, and people buy from who they trust. This is exactly what we do in our 20 plus channels, including this channel. But in 20 plus channels, we don't use videos just like this. We use our software Epic. Link is in the description and it's free for you. So Epic writes the scripts for the videos for us and turn those scripts into natural sounding voiceover. And Epic makes videos using image, links, and texts. So we don't have to use camera, we don't record our voice using microphone, and we don't need experience. Epic does everything for us. So I'm gonna show you step by step how you can make money, but before that, grab Epic, it's important, this is gonna solve your problem. And it's free. But before we begin, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, email, WhatsApp, Telegram contacts, and everyone you know. Why? Because the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And the only way we can achieve these numbers is with your help. So go ahead, like and share. Oh, by the way, in case you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. You will get notified immediately when we will upload our next money making video. Let's begin. And in this system, you can make money from anywhere in the world. And you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, and cryptocurrency. So what we do is we simply go to places like Amazon and we search for what people buy. For an example, people buy shirts, no matter what. Look at these numbers. 1,150 reviews and high ratings. Look at this one, 33,967 reviews, 4.4 out of 5 rating. This is what people are buying. It's awesome. Now I want to know what people want to know about, because I'm gonna copy this information from elsewhere, put it on Epic, and make 1-minute videos using 3 to 5 minutes of our time and artificial intelligence and make money. So it's Jack and Jones men's crew neck t-shirt. Now I want to know what people are looking for about crew neck t-shirt. I would go to software like Ubersuggest, which is almost free, and search with the keyword, and look what I found. 12,000 people every single month search with the keyword crew neck t-shirt, and what do they find on Google? They find menshealth.com, newmag.com, and they also find Amazon.com. And now I know a lot more keywords that people are looking for. And there are 911 related keywords that people are looking for. Now, the moment I add crew neck sweatshirt, all of a sudden, the scene changed completely. Now look at the numbers. Crew neck t-shirt is searched by 12,000 people, while crew neck sweatshirt is searched by 74,000 people. And crew neck t-shirts, 33,000, crew neck sweatshirt men's 14,000, and so on and on. But that's not all. There are 5,614 other related keywords, 41 questions, 31 prepositions, and 512 suggestions of keywords that people use to search on Google about crew neck t-shirt. Okay, now I have really a lot of information to share with these people. I will simply go and search what is in here. What? There is a keyword, there is this keyword, the name of the company, and how many ratings, so thousands of ratings and reviews. To buy, I just have to use a size. From here, I can see the price approximately $8, $7 to $8. I have all this detailed information, look. all this detailed information. And I also have the products related to this item. There are a lot. Amazon is great in selling. They are the best. They know how to sell. If you follow them, do what they are doing, you can make money too, and that's exactly what we do. So not only we will make 1 minute long video, 1 minute long, I'm gonna explain that in a moment. Yes, using 3 to 5 minutes of our time with Epic software, link is in the description for free for you. We make 10 seconds to 1 minute long videos and give one information people are looking. And sometimes we simply download these videos and edit a little bit using Epic and then give information based on what we find here. And sometimes we just go to 5-star ratings and see what people are looking for. Like, it's fits so nice. My husband like it so much. So we will make one video for wives. That looks, somebody said that her husband liked it. Somebody talked about good material. We will say, hey, people are saying that it's good material. Okay, we can go on and we make simple videos. People watch those videos, click our links, they love us, they love our content because they're simple, straightforward, and exactly what they're looking for. And these are the people who clicked our links. And from there, we made this much money. So on the average, everyone paid us $1.74. Remember this number because I'm gonna blow your mind right now. I told you about 1 minute video. Why we make 1 minute videos? Because 1 minute videos are YouTube shorts. So look at this. When we looked for crew neck sweatshirt, we went down a little bit and we found shorts feed. This is shorts feed. This is interesting. Do you see the first number of views of the first video? 1.6 million views. Now from 26,000 views, we made $46,000. How much money would we make from 1.6 million views? Now you might argue that this is an established channel and you are not going to get this much views and this much money overnight. You don't really need it. According to $1.74, you need 1,000 people to click your link and you make $1,000. Now here's the good part. The second video got 3.8 thousand views, and if you go on and you will find very low numbers like 552 views, 17 views. Of course, there are 42,000 views, 11,000 views, 339 views. It's all skewed up, all mixed up, because this is the secret. Look at this answer on Quora. Somebody asked, why is YouTube pushing short? The answer is simple. YouTube is competing with TikTok and Instagram Reels to make shorts popular. They are sending immense number of traffic, leads, customers. So in all our 20 plus channels, we make simple videos. YouTube sends traffic. Those visitors, traffic, love our content because we tell the truth. Simple, 1 minute video, but we tell the truth. People trust us, they click our link and we make money. It's super simple. By the way, there is another way you can make money. Do you see while I'm speaking, this software right here below this video is turning my speech into text. This is an automatic AI software. This allows us to offer transcription service on Fiverr and on many other freelancer sites. Look at this Fiverr gig. They made $365,050 using 10 minutes of their times, and the work is done by softwares just like this. This software is free for you. Link is in the description. Go grab it. So that's it for today. Make money helping people using our software Epic with 3 to 5 minutes of your time per day. Let me show you how easy it is to make videos or shorts using Epic. Click the Create New button, name your project, select the type of video you want to create, find an article that you want to take elements from, copy image URL and paste it right here, and immediately the image is imported. How cool is that? That's how easy it is to import any element to Epic from free links. Just copy and paste. Zoom, rotate or pan a bit to add a little drama in the image, add a little text here to demonstrate what we are talking about. You can also fetch images from Pixabay, adding another one, little panning and zooming to give it a nice look. Okay, we are done here. Now we need some voiceover. We want to use this text as voiceover text or script. I'm gonna add the text here on the video or in the video slide as well, so the viewers can read what we are talking about, and change the settings of the text. Let's change the color opacity of the text, change the color of the text, position the text a little bit to make it nice. Now this text is not ours, so we want to rewrite it it and make it our own. So for that, go to text generator and use the AI to rewrite this text. Now we're going to use this text as our voiceover script, and we can upload our voiceover if we have a sound file. We can record it directly from our microphone, or we can use this awesome natural text to audio feature. So click this add button, choose your favorite voiceover from this drop down list and paste the text here. Then simply click this button to create your voiceover by the software. How cool is that? Go to text to audio section and click add to this voiceover, and the voiceover is added in the video. This is one tiny video that you have created. You can make it as long as possible. You can add as many elements as you want, and you have full freedom to change anything you want. Click this add new button to add another video, and these are all our videos ready, done for you to use anytime you want, or you can use blank or use any of our templates. When you are happy with your work, click the render button and the video will be created in the background. And once the video is rendered and ready, you will get notified through email. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun. But we don't want to stop here. The goal of this channel is to help 100 million people. In the next 10 years, learn how to make money online. And we cannot do it without your help. We need your like and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, email contacts, WhatsApp, Telegram contacts, everyone you know. This way you help us help others, and you help others learn how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. So go ahead, like, share. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.